Hi, my name is Katie Caselli. Have you ever wanted to have a hobby that was absolutely unique, special, and fabulous? Well, to me, that's what stained glass is. I've been making stained glass windows for nearly 20 years, and I'm an instructional designer and certified trainer. I have made dozens of leaded glass panels, and also many projects in the copper foil method, including 2 lamps. I have so enjoyed this hobby, and I have such passion for it that I want to share it with you. After this course, you will be able to construct windows with increasing size and complexity. You may even want to try your own built-in window. Stained glass really is unique. How many people do you know who can make their own stained glass windows for gifts or for decorating? By the end of this class, you'll have the basic skills to be able to even sell your work on Etsy or eBay, or even in community craft fairs. You are invited to choose a simple pattern and construct a first project, so that by the end of this course, you will have gained skills in glass cutting, building a window, soldering it together, and lots of other skills in order to get you to create your own unique project. I'll be with you every step of the way. This class is for any person looking for new hobbies. Teens and adults with a little bit of time on their hand and an interest in crafts will come to see this as a skill set they are lucky to have. So come join me.